Thanks to our Guinea customers for purchasing our EA1000H6 and EA500H7 rental LED displays. EA1000H6 rental LED display adopts a new design style, equipped with quick lock and corner protection design, supports front and rear service design, and the power box is removable for easy maintenance. Optional curved locks and beveled cabinets allow for unique installations. EA1000H6 LED display uses a magnetic LED panel, and the cabinet supports front and rear service. LED panels are easy to install. The detachable power box adopts a hub connection design and uses quick-release buckles to install and remove the back cover. We look forward to more cooperation opportunities in the future and bringing more high-quality LED displays to our customers.